Hello students and welcome back. This is the part 2 of the globalization and the Indian economy multiple choice question and short question answers. I hope you have enjoyed the part 1. If you have, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Let's quickly begin the part 2. The first question is Special Economic Zones or SEZ developed by the Government of India aim to encourage regional development, to encourage small investors, to attract foreign companies to invest in India or none of the above. तो सूरज जो स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन होती हैं जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डेवलप करती है दे आर बेसिकली टू encourage and attract foreign companies to invest in India कि बाहर से कंपनीज आएँ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज आएँ और इन्वेस्टमेंट करें so it is to attract foreign companies to invest in India. The process of rapid integration or interconnection between countries through free trade, free mobility of capital and labor is called privatization, foreign trade, liberalization or globalization. So students, ये जो प्रोसेस है रैपिड इंटीग्रेशन का और इंटरकनेक्शन बिटवीन कंट्रीज का तो फ्री ट्रेड फ्री मोबिलिटी ये सब कहलाता है ग्लोबलाइजेशन. सो रिमेंबर लिबरलाइजेशन और ग्लोबलाइजेशन दो अलग अलग डेफिनेशन है. मैंने पार्ट 1 में आपको लिबरलाइजेशन के बारे में बताया था, मैं दोबारा आपको एक बार बता देता हूँ. बट फॉर दिस आंसर इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. So if we refer the book, the definition of liberalization is removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is what is known as liberalization. So सिर्फ वो एक country specific barriers को removal जो होता है उसको liberalization कहा जाता है. And luckily we have a next question related to the same. Liberalization refers to opening up the economy, freeing the economy from direct control, putting an end to various restrictions or all of the above. तो हमने पढ़ा है it refers to all of these above. Investment means spending on machines, factory building, equipments और all of the above. तो बहुत ही इजी इसका आपको है. इन्वेस्टमेंट का मतलब होता है आप मशीन पे भी पैसा करते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो इन्वेस्टमेंट. फैक्ट्री बना आपकी बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं, दैट ऑल्सो नीड्स इन्वेस्टमेंट. इक्विपमेंट्स भी करते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो इन्वेस्टमेंट. ऑल ऑफ द अबव. It refers to the globalization which creates opportunities for all and ensures that its benefits are better shared. तो ये हम किस चीज़ को रेफर कर रहे हैं? Special economic zones? No. Fair globalization? Yes. So it refers to the fair globalization. Privatization? No. WTO is an organization. So it refers to the globalization, that is fair globalization refers to the globalization which creates opportunities for all and ensure that its benefits are better shared. हम बुक पे रेफर करते हैं. Since globalization is now a reality, the question is how to make globalization more fair. Fair globalization would create opportunities for all, सबको opportunities मिलेंगी, and also ensure that the benefits of globalization are shared better. And the government can play a major role in making this possible. What attracts a multinational company? Ready demand for the product? A cheap labor? None of the above or both ready demand and cheap labor. Obviously बड़ा easy है, it's both A and B. Investments made by multinational companies are termed as indigenous investment, entrepreneurs investment, foreign investment or none of the above. So students, multinational companies are companies which are not from the same country but from different countries and have investment in different countries. So these are termed as foreign investments. Multinational corporations have succeeded in entering global markets through UNESCO, UNO, WTO or none of the above. Again a very easy one. We know it all has been made possible because of WTO or World Trade Organization. Removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is called liberalization, investment, favorable trade or free trade. तो ये हमने भी थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़ा था. It is called as liberalization. Rapid integration or interconnection between countries is known as globalization, socialization, liberalization or privatization. Very easy. It is same as one of the MCQ which we did. So it is referred as globalization. What is the main motive behind the investment of multinational companies? The main motive of an multinational company is to offer financial support to the government of the country? No. The main motive is to increase their assets and earn profits. That is also there. The main motive is the welfare of the poor people? Not exactly. The main motive is to benefit foreign countries. And students, the main motive is to increase their assets and earn profits. The most common route for investment by multinational companies in countries around the world is to buy existing local companies, form partnership with local companies, set up new factories, or none of these. And students, answer for this is the most common route for investment by multinational companies in countries around the world is to set up new factories. Which of the following contributes to the globalization? Large-scale trade, external trade, internal trade, or small-scale trade? And answer is external trades contributes to the globalization. Tax on imports is an example of terms of trade, foreign trade, collateral, or trade barriers. So students, any barrier which inhibits imports or exports is a barrier. So tax on imports is an example of a trade barriers. So if we refer the book, tax on imports is an example of trade barrier. It is called a barrier because some restriction has been set up. Governments can use trade barriers to increase or decrease or regulate foreign trade and to decide what kinds of goods and how much of each should come into the country. So it is called as trade barrier. What was the main channel connecting countries in the past? Religion, trade, labor, or technology? Answer is it was trade, which was the main channel connecting countries in the past. And student, this is the last question of the part 2 also now. Which has played a big role in spreading globalization? Information technology, transport technology, both A and B, or none of the above? Students, we know that information technology has played a big role in spreading globalization, as well as transport technology, because it assists in globalization. So answer for this is both A and B. This brings to the end of the part 2 also. I'll be publishing part 3 very soon. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.